Now this illustration deals with a vehicle mounted type generators in accordance with NEC 250.34b. Now this illustration is basically pointing out where a generator would be on a vehicle. And the generator frame with its receptacles are connected and bonded into the frame of the vehicle. And the U-grounds is also bonded to the frame of the generator. Now you can kind of see in the call out, we just show a little generator there that's mounted inside the bed or on the vehicle. Now notice the frame of the generator is used to bond the yoke of the receptacle. The generator is mounted to the vehicle. The vehicle frame is, shall be permitted to be used as the ground for the generator too. So in other words, everything is bonded together to create an equal potential plane, so to speak, as defined in Article 100 of the NEC. So this illustration, 16-62B, is illustrating the requirements where a generator, portable type or generator, is installed on or to a vehicle mounted type generator in accordance with 250.34b. So that's what this illustration is illustrating, is when the generator is mounted in some manner to the vehicle.